So hi, I'm Ritu. We have previously done very few topics on Revit software. Let's try again. In this video, I'll be showing you one more tricks on how we can create a baluster on stairs. So here we'll be learning a quick frame of how to do that. Let's start. So as you can see here, we have a small staircase over here. So what I want to do is I want to change a baluster pattern over here. Let's see how we can do it quickly. So very firstly, what you have to do is you have to go here to this file option, then you have to go to new, and here you have to go again to the family option. And here you have to choose an option called matrix baluster. So they all are in a proper alphabetically manner, so you can choose that. So here you can see matrix baluster, click on here, open it, and here you can see your family profile has been opened. Now what you have to do, straight go here to the form, choose the option called revolve. Select this revolve option. Here you can see a pop-up comes up in the work plane. Drop this down, choose an option called here reference plane center front and back. Select this option, open it up. Now here you have to choose front or back. So I'm here choosing a front option. Open it up. Now here you can see we get a profile. Now what we have to do, we have to create a pattern within this work frame. So come here to create the boundary, select the pattern, and let's start. So here I'm choosing one simple design. Now again you have to create few simple tricks, or however you want to model your baluster. Choose this pattern however you want. You have to keep in your mind that you're creating one simple section view of that. So let's see that how we can manage. So make sure you're not making too much wider, or else the diameter will be too much, which will not be fit in that particular design pattern. So as you can see here, we have completed the model. So the next step is to create your axis line. So select this axis line, choose a pick line, choose the center line, and go finish it off. Now as you can see, the baluster has been created. Now in case you want to provide material here itself, we can provide, or later also you can come back and can provide. Now once it is done, just go here to this load into project, select the option, go to the option where you want to insert. So go OK with it. Now here again we are back to this model. But if you here you can see the model is not imported here yet. So what we'll do, select this option, go here to this properties, edit type. What you have to do is simply duplicate. The reason we duplicate here, that the original file do not get hampered and we can create our own design. So you can rename it and then go OK with it. Then come here to the option called baluster placement. Here you can see. Go to this edit option, click on here. Now here you can see we have a simple option called use baluster portrait on stair. Now keep changing here few options. First of all, baluster portrait, you have to make it as 1. Then go to this option called baluster family. Drop this down and change to the option called that family that you have created. So I'm selecting the family that I have created, then go OK with it. So once you are done, now here you can see we can create this pattern easily. So as you are done with this design, and if you want to replicate the same thing in the other rail, select this option and simply choose the replace it with the properties. Select here, come here, change it up. Now here you can see we have created one pattern. So this is how we can create any kind of design, any kind of model in your reference plane, or you can say in your family type, and you can import here and you can create whatever design you want to do it. So now as you saw, very quickly we have done a very nice baluster design. For more like this content, you can subscribe our channel, and if you have any queries, you can comment down on the section box. Thank you so much.